Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x00000193 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then first workaround is go to Windows settings and install Windows latest update. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of store error code appear. Go to Windows update from the left side and click on check for updates, and if any update available or pending action required, fulfill them. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type wsreact.exe, clear Microsoft Store caches. Click on OK. It will clear Microsoft Store caches from your system. After that, close the Microsoft Store windows and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings again, right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side, go to apps, click on apps. Thereafter choose installed apps. From the right side, here in the search field, type store. Click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Store and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and under reset section, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair Microsoft Store. Let the window complete the repairing of Microsoft Store process, and if this app is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair does not work, then reset Microsoft Store app. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Choose reset. After that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and in command prompt black window, execute these 3 DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After that, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Open it. Store troubleshoot page open. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against apply repairs automatic, and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows Store apps troubleshoot. After that, check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, or right click on start button and choose run. Here type services.msc in search field. Click on OK. Services windows will open now. Here start or restart various services, the store related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and first choose start, otherwise choose restart. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is storage services. Scroll down and look for storage services. Same process, right click on it and first choose start, otherwise choose restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next one more services is Windows License Manager. Scroll down and look for Windows License Manager. Windows License Manager service, right click on it and same process, choose start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. Close the window and restart your system and your Microsoft Store error code definitely be resolved. That's all.